Right, here we go. This is my toolkit that I take with me when I go out on the road bike. Especially this time where you don't want to get other people involved in your own activities. So if I break down, I think I've got everything covered here. And I put it on the scales already. My little toolkit weighs 528 grams. That's hardly anything. You wouldn't even notice that in a rucksack. Anyway, I shall open it up and show you what's inside. There we are. That's the tool roll unrolled. Now I shall unzip everything and lay it all out neat for you. There we are. It's all laid out nice and neat. That's my Crank Brothers multi-tool. That's my chain splitter. This is for releasing the wheels, taking the wheels off. Takes the axle out. CO2 cartridges, CO2 injector, valve with a valve core tool, another spare valve, split link, dyno plug, and what I would use primarily is the stands dart, the stands dart there. So that's what I carry in my little tool bag. I have a bicycle pump as well, but primarily I think if I was get stuck and I needed to rapidly inflate the tyres, then I would break out the CO2. But normally I'll just use a pump to pump it up after a little puncture. But as I'm tubeless, most of the punctures don't show themselves until I've finished my ride. I'd say I've had the one puncture. But yeah, I'm all ready. I'll open up the little stands multi-tool so you can see that. There you go. That's the stands tool opened up. You've got Allen key that side and 0 to 8mm Allen keys. We've got some torque drives and screwdrivers, crosshead and flathead screwdrivers there. And on this side, we have, I'll open it up, chain splitter, in case I needed to split a chain, take a link out if it becomes damaged. And these parts, these here, are spoke tensioning tools, as well as you've got, there you've got a little, looks like a spanner type arrangement there for a couple of bolts. Yeah, it's a nice little kit. Luckily, I've never had to use it in real life. But yeah, that's a nice little kit to have in the bike. I mean, it's heavy, but you never know when you're going to need an Allen key. Yeah, this is what I carry when I go out on the mountain bike and also the road bike. I carry one of these tools with me. Yeah, it's not bad. No, I think there's 19 tools in this little kit. Brilliant. All contained. Can't get anything wrong. Anyway, that's the review of my kit. My cycling kit.